Little Razer Cat, I'm going to the supermarket. I kind of don't want you to come with me, because I do not trust you. So I want you to stay here. Okay. I don't really want to go anyway. Alright, good. See ya. Why did you tell Little Razer Cat to stay here? Because he's gonna annoy me. He's gonna annoy me when we go to the supermarket. Alright, fine. I can't trust him. I might lose him. You know how it goes. I need you to come with me. Yeah, sure. I have to get my keys. Oh, there they are. Alright, no. Little Razer Cat, do not invite anybody, just only invite Wizard Pig and Boggy, or both of them. I'm leaving, see you. Okay, I will. I'm gonna invite Boggy and Wizard Pig here. Hey guys. Hey. Alright, glad you're here. Alright, so my dad is going to the supermarket. He wants me to watch the house, so I can only invite you two here. So, guys wanna play a game? Sure, yeah. Yeah, we can play a game. Me?
Yeah.
Here's Roger. Who barged in the door like that? What the? Wait. Why is that cat smiling at us like that? Wizard Pig, why is that cat smiling at us like that? I don't have no idea, but he's carrying a bat. You think he's gonna knock us with that bat? I don't know. Could be a robber. Well, I do have my wand and, oh, god dang it. My red star has disappeared. Shoot, what has that stupid tape have been doing to my wand? Oh well, I'm still gonna try anyway. Hey there, can you tell us what are you doing in here? Nothing at all. I need you boys to tell me, where is my toys? To be honest, I did not know that you had a third cat that talks to you. I mean, I do have pets, but I don't have a pet so related like this one. I only have a cat and a kitten. I do not have this, whatever, this treasure killer cat thingy. You better tell me, where are my toys? And if you don't have them, or else what? It means he's gonna knock you with a bat and torture you. Okay, fine, I do have toys, yes. They're in the living room. Come on, the toys should be here already. Now we're talking. Okay, are you happy now? Can you get out of my house? Okay, you're not my pet. Can you just get out of my house already, please? In one condition. I need something in the kitchen. Well, I don't know, get some cat food, but you're not eating all of it. Or get tuna fish or something. Oh yeah? Well, let's go in the kitchen, shall we? Fine. Let's see what you have. You have this. Yeah, but cats don't eat bread. Well, I can still have it, right? I have another toy that you can play. Really? Follow me, they're over here. Alright, I'm coming. This is the toy that you can play. Wait, aren't you a cat? Shouldn't you be playing this? Yeah, but I'm different. You are the original cat, so you should play with it. Okay. How do you play with this? You figure it out. I'm not dealing with this. Well, fine. Say it yourself, because I'm gonna keep messing with you. Seriously, this is all you have? Maybe I shake it. I might lose my head doing this. Maybe I should talk to his friends. I mean, I guess it is so much fun. But I could put them in there. This is gonna work. Listen, before I start messing with you and your friends, I'm gonna need to use the bathroom. Where's the bathroom? The bathroom is near our room. Alright, good. Thanks. Oh, wow. Who leaves a bag in here? Ooh, this could work. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna go hard on them. I think I should go easy on them. God, I hate this stupid fan. It keeps blowing me. I'm gonna lose my face. Well, what should I use? This toilet or that toilet? This one or that one? Let me guess. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Papa, papa, in your toe. If you didn't, bada, da. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Oh, this is so small. Well, I guess I can go in. I feel so better. But somebody has to clean the cat litter. There's like turd in there. Should I wash my hands or should I keep going? Well, I think I should keep going. Man, I hate this tub. This could work. But like I said, I have to go easy on it. Well, looks like I feel better, I guess. But I only took a number one, but whoosh, there was a lot of chocolate in there. You better not do anything stupid to my bathroom. No, nothing like that. I didn't. You wanna play a game? Probably the game that I do not want to play with. Well, you know what that means. Excuse me, can you tell me what's going on? I'll tell you what's going on. Your friend, what's his name? His name's Little Razer Cat. Oh yeah, Little Razer Cat didn't want to play my game, so I had to whoop him with a bat. I'll probably whoop you too if you say no. Wait, who are you? I'm Roger Cat. I'm Roger Cat. Okay, you're Roger. Can you tell me where Little Racer Cat is? Actually, I'm gonna go. See ya. Hey, wait, hold up. Can't believe I got knocked off. Oh, wait a second. I have a perfect idea. Get off of me. Let my arm go. Get off of my bed. You're not going anywhere until he tells where he is. I'm not telling you crap. You'll get me out of... Guys, I have a good idea. Wait. I thought I knocked you out. Well, yeah, you knocked me out, but I finally got up. And I have a perfect idea. Guys, follow me. Don't let me go. Alright, Roger. Come and get it. Oh my gosh. It's right there. I'm coming. Hey! Wow, little Razer kinda actually worked. At least there's no blood, but it just got knocked out. Wait, let me check on it. It's still smiling, but it's not breathing. Roger is not breathing, it's dead. But he jumped in the spinning fan, so how did he get any blood? Roger probably had a heart attack as he was trying to jump as the fan kept running. But he still touched it, he had a heart attack and touched it. So that's why you're not seeing any of that. Well, I'm actually going home. Yeah, I'm going home too. It was nice. Alright, see ya. Well, I'm done.